Okay, today we're going to make some ultimate cookies, the best cookies you can have. What you need is some Crisco buttery flavor, 3 to 4 cups of it. So this equals out to 3 to 4 cups. You want to put that in there. You want some brown sugar, and if you're a diabetic like me, you want to use splendid brown sugar. And you want a cup, 1 cup, and then you want to do a fourth. And you want 2 tablespoons of whipping cream, heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons. You want 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and you cannot use generics, so no, you have to have the real thing. 1 tablespoon. Okay, that's good. And then next you want 1 large egg. Make sure it's a large egg, because medium something doesn't work. Next you want 1 teaspoon of salt. That brings out all the flavors into the recipe. The next one, you want to use some flour, and I know I always use Gold Bond, but this time I'm using Pillsbury Best for cooking cookies like this. So I'm using 2 cups of flour. You want a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and that's the best baking soda to use. Next, you want to use a full bag of Hershey's chocolate chip, sugar-free, if you're diabetic. Put the whole entire thing into your batter. Into your batter. And it's always frozen, so I left this in a freezer. You want to put all this. Do is after you get a lot in here, you want to use the rest of them and use a grater and grate up the rest of your chocolate chip. It's gonna be the ultimate cookies, because I have blended or let's just turn this blender on, or mixer. We'll get the name right eventually. And we're gonna look for a good pasty dough. You want to start out slow. There ain't no reason to get all high on it. Okay. Rolling this out, I just wanted to show you, look at the texture on that. And I swear on everything, this thing tastes good. It's the best. Let me show you. This stuff right here, you're supposed to put milk in it, but this is my idea. This makes it much more creamier and better. Trust me, use this instead of milk and it will taste much better. And then on that, grind you a whole bunch of this up in there, because you'll get a whole bunch more of the chocolate chips in little small pieces, and it makes it much more. Now what you want to do, if you're like me, don't have a ice cream scoop or a tablespoon measure, would work just fine. What you want to do is take into here, give it a little shake off, like that. Perfect. Do it again until you get a full. It gets done. After you get them all lined out, you're gonna make sure they're not so close apart from each other. You're gonna make sure they're spread it apart, because what they're gonna do is when they get done, they're gonna rise, turn into a cookie. Anyways, let's go put these on temperature 375, around 8 to 11 minutes. Should be long enough. If not, cook a little. Got that. Now that is the ultimate cookie. And follow these ingredients carefully, and you will have the best tasting cookie. And I promise you won't find a better tasting cookie. Just give these a try, and I guarantee you leave me a comment on what you think about the cookies. Alright, now we're going to do a taste test on these. These are, I'm telling you right now, these right here are some fantastic cookies. You do the recipe, you'll agree. Leave me a comment down in the description if you do this. Let me know what you think, and I guarantee you these are the ultimate chocolate chip cookies, and you will not find a better one on the internet. Alright, we'll start with this one right here. It looks real pretty. Well, look at that. Oh my god. Look at that. It's real chewy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will bring you more videos, and you stay tuned.